Okay, so it is December 8th, Diciembre 8.
I knew you were going to say that. I literally do that.
So it's kind of a fun little unit because I think you already know this. Name 2 points. So there is no wrong answer. Name 2 points.
A and K.
Good enough. Everybody agree? Or B and D or whatever. Everybody agree? There's lots of answers. Name 2 lines.
AK.
AB.
KB.
So I like that AK and AB are the same line, aren't they? These are the same. So I need one more. What's my other line? CD, right? These are the same line, aren't they?
Wait, can you not put 3 letters under the thingy?
You can put 3 letters if you want to write, but we won't because we're going to see 3 letters when we talk about angles, okay? When we talk about angles, so we're only going to use 2 letters, okay? Now, name the plane that contains A, B, and E. It's plane E. So we're going to go plane E, okay? Oh, plane G. Plane G. Plane G. There it is, plane G. I know, I missed that too, didn't I? Goody, I totally missed that. Okay, give one other name for MN. Okay, I think they're talking about down here, right?
NS.
Okay, MN. How about PN? How about PN? PN. Put the arrows on it. Make sure you put the arrows on it because it said it's a line. Name 3 points that are collinear. Collinear.
TN and W.
Say that again. T N. Good, you got the hard one. Let's get to there in a second. How about M, and P, okay? M, and P. And Taven, nice job because really, even though this line here is not on the plane, they're collinear, aren't they? Aren't those collinear also?
Yeah.
So how about T, N, W or T, N, W. Nice job. 3 points that are coplanar. Coplanar.
And then
How about M, N, and P? Sure. M, N,
you say V, right?
V. I like V better. Yeah, I like V. Let's go M, N, and V. Name a point that's not coplanar. Not coplanar.
W.
Okay. Or, yes, or T, right?
It says that's not coplanar with points N, P, and P.
Oh, well, never mind then. Go along with that. Yeah, okay.
Can you move it up, please?
Yeah. Thanks, Michael. Thumbs up, pretty easy? I mean, an easy day's okay, right? Okay, turn the page. Okay. Okay, plane A and plane C. So we're going to draw a picture. So we want A and C, plane A. So I'm going to draw plane A first. I'm going to draw plane A, okay? So we got to draw a picture. And line C intersecting at all points on line C, okay? Plane A and line C intersecting at all points on line C. Well, if they're going to intersect at all points, I got to put C in. I have to put it in it. Line C must be on the plane because of the way they write it. They put this darn all points. That means all my points have to be on the plane. So the only way I can do that is just draw my line, call it C, on the plane so that all of the points intersect. If it went through it, I wouldn't get all of them to intersect, okay? Nine. One thing I see is a common point. So I want to draw GM and GH. They're both lines. There's lots of ways to draw this and still be right. I'm just going to draw it like this. Put G here and M here. And then what do you think I'm going to draw next? Yeah, maybe like this. And there might be another way to draw this correctly. That's just the way I'm going to draw it, okay? because they both have H in common. Okay, does this seem pretty easy? Have you guys learned this before?
No.
You never have? Oh, all right, well, I heard yes and no. Okay, line CD and plane X not intersecting. This one's a little bit harder to draw, but I think I can do it. First of all, let me draw this plane. Right? And this one's hard to see because really, in some ways, you might say, okay, so if I draw this CD below it, and this is a tough one because someone could argue, and you wouldn't be wrong, because it's really hard to draw three-dimensional things on a piece of paper. You could argue that this just comes and hits it, but I'm going to argue that it's below it, okay? I tried to draw it in a way that looks like it's below it, right? I guess I could have drawn it like this. I could have drawn it like this. I could have gone.
So does it matter what shape it is?
Well, the planes, we always like the planes to be like parallelogram. It shows you see that commonly. If you make it a square, I wouldn't mark it wrong.
But it can't be like a
Make it
sphere.
look more 3D.
No, don't make it look like a sphere.
It's not a sphere.
You can decide it.
Should we do what?
Because
Yeah.
on the side.
Yeah, we can do it this way too, Bailey, absolutely.
No.
Yeah, absolutely. As long as it doesn't touch that too. Yep, I agree. So there's lots of ways to draw these, and the interpretation is always tough because you're trying to draw something on a flat piece of paper that's three-dimensional, right? So it's kind of hard to tell. But I agree with you, yes. Okay, name point as co-planar, so let's take a look at this. So this box, right?
Oh, he's a young one.
This box has 6 planes, 6. It's got a top and a bottom, 2 sides, and a front and back. So it really has 6 different planes, okay? 6 different planes. And you can see it. Top and bottom is a flat surface. The 2 sides are a flat surface. And the front and back are 2 surfaces, right? So name a point that's coplanar with A, D, and G. A, D, and G. Coplanar with A, D, and G. What would you say? L. Totally agree. And even F, right? Either one of them. L. I'll go along with L. L, I like L. Or even F. Nice job. Okay. Name the intersection of plane. So plane H, E, G, H. Let's see. H, E, G. That's the back. So that's the back. H, E, G is the back. I'll put that in color here. And D, F, E. I'm going to put that in blue. D, F, E. D, F, E. So where do they intersect? These 2 planes is like a box. And I don't think I have a box. Unless I take a bunch of stuff out of it. But hold on. Right? Oh, here we go. Do my exercise today, okay? Ooh, have a box. Okay. Where's the intersection? Right there. You guys see it?
Yeah.
So they intersect at what?
Yeah.
EF, right? So we'll say line segment EF, right? And I'm going to go line segment, so I can use the right symbol. Name a point that's collinear with BH. Okay, BH, collinear, on the same line, collinear. M, you guys see it, right? You guys agree? M. Name a point that's not coplanar with CEM. CEM. Okay, so the top. So what is not on the top? Give me a point not on the top. Sure, A is good enough, or G, or L, or F, or D, or any of those, right? Yeah. Okay. So what geometric terms are modeled by the Eiffel Tower? Okay, so what do I see in here? I see a point. I see a point. I see a line segment.
Parallel.
Parallel lines, where you're getting way ahead of me. I like that. I like it. What else? I see an arch or an arc, right? All
Like
right.
top and O.
Yeah, maybe even a triangle, right? Maybe a trapezoid, those are all good terms, but we're gonna stop with those two, okay? All right, that's all I have, pretty easy. So today, we're gonna do page 220, we got 10 minutes, you can probably get it done. Page 220, we're gonna do them all, but hold on, let me figure out exactly which ones they are.